Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Bootrec Rebuild BCD. The requested system device cannot be identified. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case EFI is boot drive and C drive is Windows installed drive. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select your disk. Type list space, part. In my case two system partitions are listed. First delete partition 4. Select partition 4. Partition 4 is selected. Type del part override. Partition 4 is deleted. Now select another system partition. Type del part override. Now recreate EFI system partition. System partition is created successfully. Type format space, fs equal to fat32 space, quick space, label equal to boot. Type assign space, letter equal to S. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colan / Windows space, /s space, assigned letter colan space, /f space, all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.